The Mould King W16 Engine model kit offers an engaging and educational experience with over 2,000 building block pieces and clear instructions. This intricately designed model replicates the mechanics of a supercar's W16 engine, featuring realistic details like transparent cylinder heads and turbochargers. Powered by an electric motor, the engine model demonstrates strong power and impressive acceleration once assembled, making it both fun and functional. Constructed from high-quality ABS and carbon fiber materials, the model is durable and compatible with existing building block toys. The kit caters to a wide range of enthusiasts, from kids to adults and collectors, making it a versatile addition to any collection or a thoughtful gift for special occasions. With its realistic design and functional components, the Mould King W16 Engine model kit is a standout piece for those interested in engineering and automotive technology.